Welcome to our channel where we help you solve Premier Bank login problems with easy step-by-step guidance. If you're struggling to access your Premier Bank account online, you're not alone and there are straightforward solutions to get you back in quickly. Start by checking your internet connection to make sure it's stable, since connection interruptions often prevent logging in. Next, verify you're entering the correct username and password. Double-check for case sensitivity issues or accidental spaces. If you can't remember your details, use the bank's password recovery or username reminder features, which often send a code or reset link to your registered email or phone number. Clear your browser cache and cookies if the site isn't loading properly or login buttons don't respond, as corrupted data can block access. Also, try accessing the website or app from a different device or browser to rule out device-specific problems. Ensure your browser or app is updated to the latest version, since outdated software may cause compatibility issues. If you face persistent login errors, check if Premier Bank's online services are down due to maintenance or outages by visiting their status page or official social media. Disable any VPN or firewall temporarily, as these sometimes interfere with login security protocols. Lastly, if none of these steps work, contacting Premier Bank's customer support directly can provide personalized assistance. With these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve most Premier Bank login difficulties confidently and get back to managing your finances smoothly. Don't forget to follow these instructions carefully for the best results and keep your login information secure for future convenience.